Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hi guys, we are the student Mantu Aceh Tamiang.
And we are from 12th class of Nia 1.
My teacher Mom Erna and I am Putri Ramadhani.
And I am Gita Jelita.
We are going to show the dialogue of surprise. Hi.
Hi.
Do you know something about what? About the beach Olympic competition.
When is the Olympic?
Next year, but and Blockie.
Are you kidding?
No, Gita, I'm serious.
I have good news for you.
What?
I heard that you got a bronze medal in the games yesterday.
Oh yes, I don't believe it. Are you serious?
Yes, of course. Congratulations, Putri.
Oh, thank you, Gita. Let's go to the class. Thank you very much for watching us and don't forget to like and subscribe. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.